I lost the clip. I lost the first intro shot that I shot, last night at 2 p.m. रात को जग जग के मैंने खाना भी नहीं खाया था कल for the sake of video. Whatever, I just forgot and I'm shooting now. Okay, whatever. Welcome to the next video, and today's video is gonna be about the cancellation of boards exam. So देर नहीं करते हैं, डायरेक्ट वीडियो में चलते हैं. So this video is divided into 5 parts and timestamps will be given in the description box. If you wanna skip, you can skip. You're welcome because भाई आज़ाद देश की आज़ाद जनता है, कुछ भी कर सकती है. जोक से पार्ट, हम जोक नहीं करते अभी, बहुत जोक हो गया. On a serious note, India is on a very bad stage. India is deteriorating on a very bad mode. Capital Delhi is in danger state. The hospitals are not having enough beds, oxygen cylinders, and everywhere is a chaos. We are all in a very bad state. मतलब असम तो पीछे थी थोड़ी सी last time during the first attack, the first world war. नहीं, ठीक है, फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर नहीं कहते इसे. ओके, ड्यूरिंग द फर्स्ट अटैक असम वाज थोड़ा पीछे था, बट नाउ ड्यूरिंग द सेकेंड आई थिंक असम भी पीछे नहीं हट रहा है. दे डोंट वांट टू स्टे बैक, ऑल वांट टू बी द फर्स्ट.
मैं हूँ आयरन मैन, मैं हूँ फर्स्ट, मुझसे आगे कोई नहीं.
मैं फर्स्ट हूँ. दे ऑल वांट टू प्रूव दैटसेल्फ. Our country is alarmingly in danger. Delhi, Maharashtra, Orissa, West Bengal, सारे states में cases are rising. We're not even kidding. Cases are rising at an alarming rate. Are the class 10th and 12th board exams important? And if important, then why? 10 boards are important, but they are not so important, and the government knows that they are not so important. That's why they cancelled and they postponed the class 12th board exam, because they know the importance of the year, the importance of the exam. So see, now the government has decided to declare the results on the basis of objective criterion that will be decided by the board. Maybe with the results of pre-board exams, the results will be declared. Now there are 2 category of students that fall into different categories.
The first category is जिन्होंने पूरे साल घिस के पढ़ाई की है और उनकी तो माँ बहन एक हो गई. पूरे साल घिस के पढ़ाई करते रहो, बट एंड में क्या हुआ, एग्ज़ाम हुआ ही नहीं, उनकी तो वाट लग गई. और सेकंड कैटेगरी के लोग आते हैं जिन्होंने पढ़ाई की नहीं, सारा दिन पबजी खेलते रह गए और टिकटॉक बनाते रह गए.
I'm a pretty boy, I'm a stunning. Life's the boy, don't have funning. I'm a pretty boy, I'm a stunning.
उनकी तो नैया पार हो गई. राम जी की नैया है नाना, राम जी की नैया है प्यारी.
I know there might be some students who fall in the first category. They might be like very sad. They might be upset because they could get better marks. Nobody knows, they could get better marks. What now will be allotted to them. But the second category students will be मतलब जी लो अपनी जिंदगी, ऐसे होता है. एक कुछ था मूवी के डायलॉग, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर.
जा बेटा जी ले अपनी जिंदगी.
Now I know there are some kind of students जिन्होंने like प्री बोर्ड्स अच्छे से नहीं पढ़े होंगे, एंड दे वर लाइक कि मैं तो पूरी जान लगा दूंगी फाइनल्स में, अच्छे से पढ़ूंगी ये वो, एंड दे वर लिटरली स्टडिंग. बट जब ये कोविड केसेस बढ़ गए एंड द एग्जाम्स गॉट कैंसल्ड, it will be a little bit upset or like demotivating for them. But क्या ही किया जा सकता है इसके लिए, but the government has another option for them, that if the students are not satisfied with the results they got, they can give the exams again after the covid cases a bit little lesser, which मुझे दूर दूर तक दिखाई नहीं देता कि covid cases less होने वाले हैं. अब ये तो वही बात हो गई ना, क्या बात हो गई.
आबेल मुझे मार, मतलब खुद ही जाओ कोरोना के पास और बोलो कि आओ मुझे अटैक करो.
Where's CBSE board gives a very clear decision that the 10th exams will be cancelled and the 12th will be postponed until further notice. Whereas in many states like Maharashtra board, then Orissa, Bihar, like Bihar to already had their exams, UP, Maharashtra, Orissa, they either postpone the exams or cancel the exams. Whereas in Assam, the SEBA board has till now they didn't give any decisions. They just told ki just study, exams will be held. I really want to tell the students ki keep calm, don't panic in this situation. There's nothing to be panic, because if you panic, there will be a huge loss for you. You will lose the concentration from your studies. You will not be able to find peace. You will suffer from mental health issues and lots more. Now comes class 12. After the cancellation of examinations of class 10, students of class 12 thought maybe class 12 examinations will be cancelled, but the government decided not to cancel their exams and to postpone the exams. And I think, I mean, it's according to me, many people say that ki, it's not important, it will not have an impact in your life. And to an extent, I too believe. I percentage don't define you, like personally you percentage don't define you, but when you're starting off, I think it's the starting point of your life, and percentage really stimulates the way you go, the way you want to go. Everybody wants to get into a good college, a renowned college, your favorite college. Maybe it's in abroad, it's in India, anywhere, everywhere percentage matters. I think wherever, if you go for a job, with your experience, percentage is seen in somewhere or the other. Percentage matters. So if you get a good percentage, you have an extra, like, bonus point. You have a bonus point there. So the point is that you got to understand, I think the students should understand what the situation the government is going through, and the government should also understand and analyzes what the students are going through the phase. We all are going through the same phase, and in this case many like CBSE तो already उन लोगों ने cancel करवा दिया, like postpone 10th को cancel करवाए, postpone 12th को करवाए. But my point is that कि CBSE ने तो cancel कर दिया या फिर postpone कर दिया, जो भी हो, but the other boards like कि ये मच्छर क्यों है, Maharashtra board already cancelled. Meghalaya board told that ki it will be continued at the given time. Rajasthan board postponed the examinations. Orissa board postponed or cancelled the examinations. I mean, what's left? Assam. I think it's only Assam board. Till date, they just have given the decisions. They have not given the decisions. And however, Assam board has given some instructions to the students that the exams may be cancelled or postponed. uh, in this matter, I really want to request the government ki please just think about the students, because after a point, if you're not giving a final decision that okay, this is the date you will have the exams, or your exam will be not held, it will be cancelled, postponed, whatever. If the government gives a clear statement to the students, it's more better, the students to perform well in the exams. Or even if the exams are cancelled, student अपने आप को ही अंदर से ready हो पाएंगे, cope up कर पाएंगे to the situations, because the situations are getting worse even for the students too. The government have to understand that students are going through several pressures. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो अपना ही एक प्रेशर हो गया, पीयर प्रेशर हो गया कि एग्ज़ाम आ रहा है, एग्ज़ाम कैसा होगा, कुछ पढ़ाई नहीं हुआ है. पढ़ाई होता भी है तो भी स्टूडेंट्स के मन में एक डाउट हमेशा चलता ही रहता है कि आई डेंट हैव स्टडीड, आई हैव नॉट स्टडीड दिस, आई हैव नॉट स्टडीड दैट. ऊपर से पेरेंट्स के प्रेशर की तू नहीं पढ़ रहा है, दैट्स द प्रेशर, रिलेटिव्स के प्रेशर्स, एंड प्रेशर टू गो इनटू अ गुड स्कूल, a good college, a renowned college abroad, or whatever. There are several pressures for the students too. So I humbly request Seva board to take the decisions a little bit quickly, a little bit faster, and think for the students and bring up with a fruitful decision. I hope Seva board will definitely bring a fruitful decision which will also be helpful for the students. Plus it would balance the surroundings what is going now at COVID thing. Now the next point comes that is it good to be postponed or not? For the case of postponement, a lot of factors should be taken into account if we are going to talk about postponement, because see, there are many students who wanted to study abroad in any good or renowned colleges, and according to my research, the colleges in abroad always starts from July or August, like August, September. But if they start the class concession from August and September, they have to, they normally does the admission slot, they open the admission slots since 3 months or 2 months back. So for example, अभी क्या चल रहा है, अप्रैल चल रहा है. अगर अप्रैल में स्टूडेंट्स को कुछ एक पक्का डिसीजन नहीं दिया गया है, फॉर एग्जांपल लेट्स टेक सीबीएसई बोर्ड. सीबीएसई बोर्ड इज टोल्ड कि 12th बोर्ड पोस्टपोन हो गया. ओके फाइन, 12th बोर्ड अगर पोस्टपोन हो गया है एंड इफ इट्स गोना हैपन इन समवन, लेट्स से जून में अगर एग्जाम होने वाला है, तो students have to fill up the form, they have to submit the mark sheet to the respective institutions, and without the mark sheet, without the result, they will not accept any admissions. So those who thought they would gonna study abroad, I think it will be a little bit difficult situation for them, but अभी क्या ही किया जा सकता है, सिचुएशन ही ऐसी है, कोविड की सिचुएशन है. हम लोग हमेशा गवर्नमेंट की दोष देखते हैं कि ओके गवर्नमेंट ने ये नहीं किया, गवर्नमेंट ने वो नहीं किया, गवर्नमेंट का ये है, गवर्नमेंट का वो है. आई थिंक वी शुड थिंक फॉर द गवर्नमेंट टू. I know we elect them as the representatives to look after us, I know, but हमारा भी कुछ फर्ज बनता है, छोटे छोटे steps to sanitize our hand every now and then, to wear mask. Believe me, nowadays people don't wear mask. They mask ऐसे रहता है, नहीं तो ऐसे रहता है, नहीं तो ऐसे रहता है, मास्क ऐसे रहता ही नहीं है. The small steps, I feel it's add a huge path. If you, those who are feeling guilty ki okay, I'm not able to help others, those who are in need of cylinders, vaccines and all the stuffs, I'm not able to help them. I think we could do one thing. We can take care of ourselves and our families, relatives, and ask them, aware them not to go outside. Precautions for COVID-19, we can do this small steps, we can do the small steps, right? मैं हकला क्यों रहा है? I don't know. Come to the end. Now, what students should do? I feel this is a very tough time for all of us. Students जो लोग boards दे रहे, जो लोग undergrad दे रहे, postgrad दे रहे, we are all under one roof. No one is like singly handling COVID-19 alone. We all are in this together, and I would say आप नेगेटिविटी जहाँ है वहाँ आप जाओ ही मत. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, नेगेटिविटी, आई डोंट मीन इन नेगेटिव सेंस. नेगेटिविटी मीन्स इफ़ यू वॉचिंग टीवी, टीवी में आजकल सारे कोविड के न्यूज़ आ रहे हैं, डोंट वॉच न्यूज़. मैंने भी आजकल टीवी में न्यूज़ चलाना बंद कर दिया है. अवॉइड न्यूज़ चैनल्स. इफ़ न्यूज़ चैनल्स आर trying to distract you, losing your focus from your work or from your studies, avoid. What is distracting you, avoid that thing, just avoid. I'm not telling कि घर में बैठ जाओ. I'm not telling कि घर में बैठ जाओ, किसी को कुछ मत बोलो, कोई कनेक्शन मत रखो रिलेटिव से, क्या हो रहा है बाहर कुछ मत करो. I'm not telling that. I'm simply telling कि if you are not comfortable, if you're feeling distraction, if you're feeling anxiety by watching TV, don't watch it. Don't watch news channels. The second thing is social media. If you think that social media is becoming toxic for you, you are feeling anxiety, you're feeling depressed by seeing all the stories of COVID patients and all the stuffs, like कुछ दिनों के लिए Instagram को uninstall कर दो. Stay calm. Do things what makes you happy. Do meditation, do yoga, take 1 to 2 days break. Especially I'm saying this, those who are for the board exam students, don't go outside unless and until it is necessary, unless and until it is so necessary that you have to step out of the house. Until then, kindly don't step out of the house, because हम तो यहाँ बैठे कुछ कर नहीं सकते. दिल्ली में, मुंबई में, मेरे असम में, गुवाहाटी में इतने सारे ऑक्सीजन्स के कमी हो रही है और वैक्सीन्स सबको नहीं मिल रही है. बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स हो रही है एंड आई नो आई कांट डू एनीथिंग फॉर देम. आई समटाइम्स I feel guilty that why I'm not able to help them. But the point is that it's not in our hand. हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते. Situation out of control जा रही है. डॉक्टर्स कह रहे हैं कि वी आर डन. डॉक्टर्स हाथ ऊपर कर दे रहे हैं. बट द पॉइंट इज दैट कि अगर हम लोग वहाँ कंट्रीब्यूट नहीं कर सकते तो दैट डजंट मीन दैट वी कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग. वी शुड फील गिल्टी. यू शुड नॉट फील गिल्टी. It's just that what in our hand, we should use this for the betterment and don't spread this fake WhatsApp messages. I have been getting this every now and then.
kindly don't forward this to any of the friends and family. खुद भी फॉरवर्ड मत करो और अगर कोई आपको फॉरवर्ड करे भी तो उन्हें बता दो कि ये फेक.
So yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you would like it.
आपको कुछ मोटिवेशन मिली होगी, आपको कुछ सीखने को मिला होगा. I don't know मैं कितना आपको सिखा पाई हूँ. It's just I really wanted to talk. Like मुझे कुछ दिनों से बहुत frustration हो रही थी. I was really going through anxiety. I was not able to sleep at night and I think अभी it's 2 o'clock. It's 2 a.m. and I'm still recording the video because मुझे edit करना है, फिर upload करना है, lot of work.
मेरे आँख में कुछ है क्या?
कितने सारे पिंपल्स है.
क्यों मतलब क्यों पिंपल्स होना जरूरी है क्या? कितने सारे पिंपल्स हैं? नहीं मैं तुम्हें नाक के छेद नहीं दिखा रही हूँ, मतलब वो पिंपल्स दिखा रही थी ना तो इसलिए नाक के छेद दिख गए. व्हाटएवर.